Bonjour guys, welcome back to the channel. The ingredient I will be using today, they need no introduction, but nevertheless I want to share with you a couple of the key benefits you will get if you put these two together. They go so well together. Let's start with the rosemary. The rosemary will nourish your hair follicle, boost thicker hair growth, treat dandruff, will make the hair shinier and softer, and rosemary is a great DHT blockers. It will block any hormone who messing up with your hair, will cause you to be bald. It will block it and it will sprout out new hair from your scalp, and it will reactivate dormant hair follicles. So that's all the good benefit you will get from your rosemary. And onion also do the same thing. It will promote quick hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and it will cure baldness. So by putting these two together, you really have a very potent oil or water or tea. It's depending on how you want it. And today I used the red onion, and I promise you this recipe will have no smell. It won't smell foul. It's absolutely beautiful. And I really steam it for 1 hour, and I let it for another 2 hours on the side, not on the fire, and you will end up with that, and you will see all your onion is very transparent because all the tamine in the onion will go to your water. And now I'm applying it, and make sure that you massage it in your scalp by circling in moving your skin, not your fingers. Use your fingertip, but with circular motion you moving your scalp to activate the blood flow. And this is how you will make this tea and all the goodness it carrying getting inside your scalp and reaching your hair follicles to activate them. And this tea needs really no introduction. I've been using it for months now, all through my postpartum, and I'm still using it. And my shedding has stopped. It's true I cut my hair, but my new growth are so nice and thick, and I will never stop using this tea. I will never stop using rosemary in oil or in water. If you are used to my channel, you know I'm such a lover, I'm such a believer. And I really hope like you really enjoy this great recipe today, and I'm inviting you please to subscribe to the channel. Come on, be part of the family. Subscribe to the channel because it is all about health. It is all about DIY. If you want to cut chemicals, I use pre-packaged product, but I use a lot of DIY on my relaxed hair, and my hair absolutely love them. And I hope you enjoy the video. I will finishing applying the tea all over my scalp and my hair. I will keep massaging it, and I will add my oil off camera, but that's how I use it. You can use it as pre-poo, you can use it as L for liquid and your LOC method. You can use it before and after shampoo anytime. You can use it, and it won't overload protein on your hair. That's the beauty of the rosemary while it's strengthening your hair follicles. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you very soon in another one. Don't forget to like, to comment, and also to subscribe. Bye bye.